got a new Trenzu Wi-Fi range extender. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Trenzu range extender quickly and easily using the WPS button. This method is the fastest way to extend your Wi-Fi coverage without entering any passwords. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox your extender and plug in into power outlet. Unbox extender, and inside the box you will get extender itself, Ethernet cable, and quick user guide. First, find a location for your new extender. For the initial setup, plug it into a power outlet within good range of your existing router. Power it on. Wait about 30 seconds. Step 3. Press WPS button on router. Now, locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 seconds. Within the next 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on your Trenzu Wi-Fi extender for 2 seconds. Extender WPS and Wi-Fi SSID will start flashing. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the Wi-Fi LED should turn solid green, indicating a successful connection to your router. Grab your phone or laptop and go to Wi-Fi, and you'll get a new SSID name, same as your home Wi-Fi followed by EXT. Use same password as your home Wi-Fi password to connect extender SSID. Step 6. Relocate the extender. Unplug the Trenzu extender and move it to a location roughly halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it into a wall socket there and wait for the Wi-Fi LED to turn solid green again. That's it. If this guide helped you eliminate your Wi-Fi problems, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos. Thanks for watching.